How you doing, guys? Snowcastle Cats here. So we got a new kind of cat scratch post platform for the cats to enjoy. They can also jump, they can hop out the window, jump out for some outdoors life. But this is the new toy of interest for them. What do you think, guys? Our cat Fee here is enjoying. We're Snowcastle Cats, and we post regular cat and kitten videos, and we have some kittens. Thanks for stopping by our channel. Check out some of our other videos, of which there are over 1,500, which is actually quite a lot, really, isn't it? And we'll see you soon. Cheers, guys. Bye.